Hi everybody, now I want to build my game. In my assets, set something like that. I will do something here. I want to build a folder for scripts. I can make this folder here like that, new folder, and I can rename this folder here, but I couldn't see the folder in my program here. So what I will do, I will right click here, and I will build a new folder, create folder, and I will rename the folder with script like that. Okay, now I have this folder. I will right click, I will make save for my project, or I can save from here, and I will return back for this for here. I couldn't see scripts, so but here in my assets I can see scripts like that. So when I will do something here in my game, I will see this thing here. For example, I will make new folder, so I will rename here. I will say, for example, objects like that. Okay, I can see these objects here, this folder here, as I can see. Okay, from here I will build my first script. I can come here and I can choose create C# script, and here I will rename this C# script with player, and I can take this script and I will put the script here in my cube. I can see the script here, player, okay, in this area. So everything I will do in the script, I can see it here. I must open my project, my Visual Basic from here. Yes, and I must take care here in scripts. I can see the script. I can open from this location, Control C, here Control V. I can enter to select the folder. As I can see, player.cs, this. Here I can put my script, and here I can write everything. So that's what I will do in the next video. I will teach you how to write your script here. Thank you very much, and meet you in the next video.